Welcome back to NIKKEN TV, where we talk all things Nikken. Today, we'll be talking about Nikken's well-renowned multi-lock milling chuck and how its elite gripping force can improve your rigidity and productivity in the production process. Nikken's multi-lock is the ultimate mechanical roller chuck. The construction consists of two parts, a single-piece special heat and sub-zero treated main body with a spindle shank connection and precise slotted bore, which becomes one with a separately manufactured external nose ring assembly.
The sub-zero treatment ultimately provides greater rigidity whilst eliminating warpage, distortion and improving both performance and reliability across the tool's life. As a result, manufacturers experience improved accuracy and better quality finishes, significantly reducing the risk of scrap, directly lowering material waste and associated costs.
Pushing performance and increase in output can increase force and therefore tool pull-out if the chuck isn't up to scratch. Nikken's multi-lock has superior gripping force and therefore allows you to push your processes further. As demonstrated by a display here at the Nikken Innovation Centre, which you're more than welcome to visit by the way, our multi-lock milling chuck is holding 1,000 kilograms of weight. That's the same as a Hippo, a baby humpback whale and even the first ever Volkswagen Beetle. Like all our tool holders, Nikken's multi-lock milling chuck has 80 to 85% taper contact and better than 83 standard in the spindle guarantee. Therefore, reducing load on the spindle motor, improving accuracy, reducing energy consumption, and therefore saving you costs. High-speed options are available. Up to 40,000 RPM at G2.5. The multi-lock, depending on the tool shank, is available from sizes C12 all the way up to C42. So what are you waiting for? Get your multi-lock milling chuck today.